Having a complete solution for your mine design, an easy workflow, and keeping information up to date are integral factors to ensure a successful mine operation. Most often, planning and calculations become complex and tedious when you do not have the useful functionalities readily accessible. Introducing Promine Engineering, an innovative and user-friendly software. The development of Promine Engineering is focused on your mine needs to ensure that you have a complete and a dynamic software adapted to your mining operation. Promine Engineering is also completely integrated into AutoCAD, making it easy to learn and use, which will allow you to work faster. Set up your importation file to distinguish between different types of points to construct a 3D model to maintain accurate and coherent surfaces of your stockpiles or any geological feature. Compute the tonnage and grade of a block model based on geological data, and perform stope optimization to get a good idea of the location of stopes to extract, and to locate interesting grade zones effortlessly. Schedule your mining activities into organized blocks. And generate Gantt charts and other reports for cost, advancement, tonnage, grades, and much more. Then optimize all your mine planning activities to obtain the maximum profit. The drill and blast modules allow you to create plans with delays for your underground and surface operations. Customize your drilling and blasting reports in detail using many annotation styles fitted to your mine needs, and insert multiple reports directly in the drawing hassle-free. Readily available to be sent to the operations team. Calculate the powder factor instantly, and run an energy analysis to determine the optimal rock breakage. Simply draw a center line and build a 3D model of a planned drift and longitudinal sections effectively. Then insert custom annotations to interpret the parameters of your drift development, allowing you to visualize everything you need in one drawing. Filled with other functions, the engineering category allows you to manage your operation efficiently using other modules such as proximity to ensure the safety of your personnel, dilution to easily obtain a report of your diluted ore, pit planning to perform pit optimization on a block model. Trusted by Agnico Eagle, Nearstar, Niobek Mine, Endeavor, and many more, your mining operation is guaranteed to be profitable, simple, and faster using Promine Engineering.